Custom gabion fences are a popular choice for landscaping and construction projects due to their versatility, durability, and aesthetic appeal. Gabion fences are essentially wire mesh containers filled with stones or other materials, creating a sturdy and visually interesting barrier. Here's a general overview of the production and sales process for custom gabion fences. The process typically begins with a design consultation between the manufacturer and the customer. During this stage, the customer discusses their requirements, preferences, and any specific design ideas they have for their gabion fence. The manufacturer selects the appropriate materials for the gabion baskets based on the customer's specifications and the intended use of the fence. This includes choosing the type and gauge of wire mesh for the baskets, as well as the type and size of stones or other filling materials. The wire mesh panels are cut to the required dimensions and assembled into baskets according to the customer's design. This may involve welding or connecting the mesh panels using clips or other fasteners. Depending on the customer's preferences, the gabion baskets may be customized with features such as reinforcements, corner bracing, or decorative elements. Once the gabion baskets are assembled, they are filled with stones chosen by the customer. After the gabion baskets are filled, any excess wire mesh is trimmed, and the baskets are inspected for quality and consistency. Additional finishing touches, such as sealing the edges or adding decorative elements, may be applied as needed. Throughout the production and installation process, the manufacturer provides sales support and customer service to ensure a smooth and satisfactory experience for the customer. Overall, the production and sales of custom gabion fences involve a combination of design expertise, skilled craftsmanship, and attentive customer service to deliver a high-quality product that meets the customer's needs and expectations. Good luck!